Today I am going to be sharing a power hour with you, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. This is a monthly Power Hour collaboration that is normally hosted by my beautiful friend Jessica Myros. She is taking a much needed 3-month vacation. She's still going to be posting on YouTube, but she is taking a vacation from her collaborations. So I am going to take over hosting the Power Hour collaboration the months of May, June, and July. So if you are interested in joining this collaboration, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or via Facebook, and I will put you in the collaboration. I am so excited to step in for her while she takes this much needed little rest and time with her family. I am so excited to host this and to put this together, and I am going to link the playlist, and I would love for you to check it out. It's going to be in my description box below, and you can follow along and see what everyone else is doing for their power hours. If you are for some reason new to power hours, a power hour is when you dedicate an hour to doing something around your home. You could do this in the form of making a to-do list. You could go into one specific room and set your timer for an hour and clean for an hour in that room. However you want to do it. Power hours can even be broken down, so you could do 15 minutes and take a break and do another 15 minutes and take a break, and so on and so on. So you can customize a power hour however you want to customize your power hour. Today I'm just going to be doing some things around my house, and I'm going to do that for an hour, so let's see how much we can get done. So I am beginning my power hour by folding a couple of small loads of laundry that go into this room. This is actually filmed on a weekend. Normally I try not to clean on the weekends. I utilize zone cleaning during the week. That is where I have a different zone in my house that I clean each and every day, 5 days a week, and then I have my weekends free. However, on this particular week, I was kind of busy, and so there were some little areas that I did not get to, so I tackled those in this power hour. I started my power hour at 2:45 and I was done at 3:45, so it was exactly 1 hour, and that included moving my camera and all that stuff, so I know that it could have been done a little bit faster. If you happen to be new to my channel and hopping over from one of the other ladies' channels, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher, and I loved my career as a teacher, and some days I miss it, and then other days I am so happy that I left to pursue other things. I am a heart warrior. In 2020, my heart was attacked by a virus, and I went into heart failure. However, now I am doing much better, and I am thriving, and I am a heart warrior, and I would love for you to join my growing YouTube family. I love and appreciate all of my supporters, and everyone means so much to me. I love this community so much.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car.
I had this wand in my kitchen that I needed to fill up with half dishwashing detergent and half vinegar to put in one of my bathrooms, and I thought, why not try it in my kitchen sink? I've never tried using that in my kitchen sink before. I actually liked the way it worked, and it shined it up, and it's just good for a regular clean, so I might invest in one of those to add to my kitchen because I really do think it turned out well, and I like how it looked. Then I moved into my office. I just needed to dust some of the surfaces, and I used the Everyday Method wood cleaner, which is my absolute favorite.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment.
I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about this and why it is in my office in this cozy chair. When I was in the hospital and I was on life support, a group from a church, a group of ladies made this for me, and it's called a prayer shawl. So it's very sentimental to me and something that I will always cherish. So I always keep it in here in my office as a reminder of the people who prayed for me when I was in the hospital.
We stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I have no idea why. I guess because I was busy, I forgot to wipe down some of the surfaces in my family room, so that is what I am doing now. As I said before, I utilize what I call zone cleaning. I know that zone cleaning has many different definitions depending upon who uses it and how they use it. For me, I've always utilized this concept, and I've always done it just by designating 3 rooms a day that I deep clean, and I do that Monday through Friday, and then that frees me up on the weekends and everything is clean by the weekend. I do every day tidy everything throughout my home, but this just gives me those 5 days to make sure that everything gets deep cleaned at least once a week. So I just wanted to give you a little update. We are installing new blinds, and I am so excited to get these up, and I'll have to show you what they look like when they're finished. There are 2 other things that I did forget to do this week, and one was to wipe down this dresser in the guest room. If you look in the mirror, you can see Lily rolling around in the bed. She loves to do that on the guest bed. I'm not really sure why, but I did straighten that up after I filmed the video, so I just quickly wiped this down. Then I went into an office in our home and I cleaned this little table, and you can see the golf clubs and the golf balls in the video. And I have those in my house. I have them in a couple of different areas, so it's not uncommon to see golf clubs or golf balls in my home. If you have those in your home, let me know so I will feel a little bit better about it. Obviously, the power hour is over. However, the blinds are installed and I love them. I think they look really good. A great replacement. And they have a good texture to them, so I am really liking these. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you will take the time to click on the playlist in the description box below to support the other people who participated in this collaboration. And thank you, Jessica, for trusting me to continue this collaboration during your absence. And I just want to tell you guys all how much I appreciate and love you all, and just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.